This morning, the Supreme Court will release its final opinions for this term. That means we will finally learn if the justices will block any effort to prosecute former President Trump for the alleged crimes he committed while in office. Jan Crawford is at the Supreme Court with more on this part of the story. Jan, this is a big day, big decision. Good morning to you.
Well, good morning, Gayle. And I think based on those arguments that we heard in April, it seems highly unlikely that the Supreme Court is going to embrace Donald Trump's sweeping claims that he has no absolute immunity from prosecution. He can't be prosecuted for his actions around January 6th. But I also think on the flip side, it's unlikely that they're going to embrace the lower court decision suggesting that he has no immunity. It appears they're going to take some kind of middle ground that sitting presidents have at least some immunity for their official actions as president. Now, why is that important? They are clearly concerned about this kind of Pandora's box of prosecution of future presidents. As one justice pointed out at argument where a losing candidate after some kind of bitter campaign could be thrown in jail. And if that sounds far-fetched, remember, Trump said in that debate he believed Biden's decision on, say, immigration were criminal, meaning like a Trump DOJ, if there is one, could put Biden in jail. Now, that's why I think it seems highly likely we're going to get some kind of decision that walls off those kind of official actions of an office holder while leaving open prosecution for unofficial actions of an office seeker. Actions taken, for example, by a president who's acting as a candidate for office. And Trump's lawyer conceded at argument that a lot of the allegations around January 6th in that indictment are unofficial acts. Now, if we get a ruling along those lines, I would expect special counsel Jack Smith to argue that that case could move forward right away and that the lower court judge in the case could make any kind of determinations in the run-up to trial. Gayle?
All right, we are all watching and waiting. Thank you, Jan.